Hello Class 4C1, Teacher Jesse here again with another video. Today's video is going to be a review of the vocabulary that we've learned in Unit 2. And just like last time, we will see a picture of our vocabulary word, we will get a definition, and then we will see an example sentence for each word. And after that, we will have some practice exercises in order to test our knowledge. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Our first word is agile. Here we have a picture of an agile cat. Agile means that you are able to move quickly and easily. Let's see agile used in a sentence. The agile cat jumped high into the air to catch a bird. Okay, let's move on to our next word. Our next word is athletic. Someone who is athletic is physically strong and active. Okay? And an example of athletic in a sentence is, she has great athletic ability. Our next word is powerful. Someone or something that is powerful has a lot of strength or power. That's why it's called powerful, because that person or that thing is full of power. Let's see it used in a sentence. My car has a more powerful engine than my motorbike. Okay? So powerful can be used for many different things and many different characteristics of people. Your body can be physically powerful. Your mind can be physically powerful. You can talk about things that are powerful, like an engine of a car. Okay? So there are many different ways to use the word powerful, not just when talking about physical strength of a person. Okay. Muscular is a little bit different. The man in the picture is very muscular. Muscular means that you have very large muscles or very strong muscles, okay? So muscular cannot apply to your mind, and muscular cannot apply to something like the engine of a car, because neither of those things have muscles. Only your body has muscles. So in a sentence, we have the example of, if you lift weights often, you will become very muscular, just like the man in the picture here. Okay? Let's keep going. Fearless. This man is jumping from a very, very high distance into a pool of water below him. He is fearless because he is not afraid. So, an example of a sentence that uses fearless is, the fearless diver jumped from 100 meters into the pool. You would have to be quite fearless in order to jump that far. All right, intelligent is our next word. And intelligent, I'm sure you already know, is a synonym for the word smart. They both mean basically the same thing. Here's a sentence. An IQ test is a test that measures how intelligent a person is. Our next word is wicked. Here we see a picture of the Wicked Witch. Wicked means very bad or evil. Now, wicked can be a quality or a characteristic that describes a person. Wicked can also describe a thing or an idea. Let's see an example of a sentence where wicked does not describe a person. The rotting meat has a wicked bad smell. So, wicked can be a word to emphasize how bad the meat smells. It doesn't just smell bad, it smells wicked bad. Okay? Now remember, in Unit 2, we had a story called The Seekers that we read. And in that story, there were also some important words that we are going to review at this time. The first word is ravine. So here we have a picture of a ravine. A ravine is a deep and narrow piece of land with steep sides. So, steep means that the sides of the ravine are very close to being straight up and down. Okay? So something that is steep is very difficult to climb because it is almost straight up. And if you look at the sides of this ravine here, there's a little bit of an angle to them, but they are still pretty steep. So this is a ravine. An example of a ravine is the bridge in the picture goes across a large ravine. Here you see a bridge, and across that bridge goes a train. Now, something that is a little bit different, but also looks very similar to a ravine, is called a valley. Notice how the sides of the valley here are not as steep as the ravine. If you wanted to, you could probably walk up the sides of the mountains here because they are not that steep. It would still be pretty difficult, but you could do it. So, a valley is a low area of land between hills or mountains. Here we have an example of some mountains on the right and left, and in between is a low area that we call a valley. And a sentence that uses valley is, a river runs through the valley. Here you can see a little river going through the middle. Okay, the next word or phrase is flash of light. Here we have a picture of a flash of light. A flash of light is light that happens suddenly and shines brightly and quickly. It doesn't stay for a long time. It's not like you turned on the lights and then the room was lit for a long time. A flash of light happens quickly and suddenly. Okay? So, we were all startled by the flash of light because it happened so suddenly and it was so quick that it startled us. All right. And finally, the last word we are going to have for today is beast. A beast is another word for an animal, something that is not human. Okay? So, an example of using beast in a sentence is, the beast ran through the village, scaring all of the children. All right. So, here are all of the words that we've seen for today. Beast, flash of light, valley, ravine, fearless, intelligent, wicked, muscular, powerful, athletic, and agile. Now, I want everyone to practice saying these words out loud, and I want you to repeat after me. Okay, so I'm going to say these all one more time, and I want you at home to repeat after me and say the word out loud after I say it. The first word is beast. Good job. Flash of light. Good. Valley. Good job. Ravine. Fearless. Intelligent. Remember to be pronouncing the last syllable of these words too. So the T sound is very important at the end. You must say intelligent. Very good. The next word is wicked. And same here again, we must remember to pronounce the D sound at the end of wicked. Next is muscular. After that, powerful. Next comes athletic. Be careful with that TH sound. Remember, if you have trouble with it, to practice, you can stick your tongue out, bite down on your tongue, and then blow air across your tongue like this. So athletic. And our last word is agile. Okay. Now, let's practice. So, for our first couple of practice exercises, we're going to see a sentence, and we have to choose the correct word that completes the sentence. I want you to think of the answer, okay? The sentence reads, if you lift weights often, you will become very blank. I want you to think of the word that completes this sentence. If you need to pause the video to have some extra time to think, go ahead and do that now. When you're ready to see the answer, just push play. Okay. If you lift weights often, you will become very muscular. Okay, did you get that answer too? All right, good job. Next sentence. She isn't afraid of anything, she's blank. Pause the video if you need to, and then push play when you're ready to see the answer. So, she isn't afraid of anything, she's fearless. All right, good job with those sentences. Let's try an exercise that's a little bit different. So, now you have to answer the question, what is a synonym of the word quick? Again, I want you to think of the answer. Take some time, pause your computer if you need to. When you're ready, push play, and we'll see the answer together. All right, a synonym for the word quick is, that's right, agile. Now, what is this a picture of? Did you say beast? If you said beast, good job. That one was pretty easy, right? I think so too. Okay. Now, what is this a picture of? If you need some time to think, go ahead and pause your video and push play again when you're ready to see the answer. Okay, are you ready? Did you say valley? No, 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 no. Remember, this is a picture of a ravine. Okay, if you said ravine, good job. If you said valley, close, nice try. But remember, this one is a ravine. All right. Now, smart. What is a word that has the same meaning as smart? Everybody answer together in 3, 2, 1. That's right, intelligent. That one's pretty easy, I think. Intelligent and smart. We're all already familiar with those words. Okay, look at this picture here. What is this picture an example of? Everyone answer out loud in 3, 2, 1. That's right, it's a valley. Why is it a valley and not a ravine? Well, the sides of this valley are not as steep as they are on the ravine. They're very shallow, okay? So you're able to walk up the side of the hill or the mountain when it's a valley, even if it might be a little bit difficult. All right, a synonym for bad or evil is 3, 2, 1. That's right, wicked. Okay? Remember, wicked can be an adjective that describes a person, an idea, a thing, an animal. Okay? So not just a person, but many things. All right. What is this picture an example of? Okay. I want everyone to answer out loud together in 3, 2, 1. That's right. Flash of light. Remember, a flash of light is quick. It's like this. It doesn't last for very long. It comes on suddenly, and it only lasts for a brief amount of time. All right, here we have some more examples of the exercises from the beginning of our practice exercises. All right, so we have another sentence here. Ms. The has great blank ability. She plays badminton so well. If you need to take some time to think, pause your video, and then when you're ready to see the answer, just go ahead and hit that play button again. All right, let's see the answer together. Ms. has great athletic ability. Very good. She plays badminton so well. And our next sentence, the Wi-Fi signal is not blank. What should the correct answer be? Muscular, powerful, or flash of light? Well, this one should be pretty easy. Muscular, that does not make sense. Wi-Fi signal, well, that's not a flash of light. So the answer must be B, powerful. Okay? Remember, an idea can be powerful, a person can be powerful, your mind can be powerful, and a Wi-Fi signal can be powerful. All right, Class 4C1, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.